You can go out there and tell them, I want to get out and be on probation. I don't care what you guys want to do. The disrespect that y'all are showing to the officers, I can assume what these are going to say. Because y'all are all out there, it's the same group that's doing all the same thing, fighting, not following instructions, talking back, calling names. I'm going to read all of that. And let me tell you, if you have one between right now and your sentencing, I will not accept this plea agreement.
Today we're looking at a young inmate who thought mouthing off to prison guards made him look tough. He and his crew even filled pages bragging about harassing staff, like it was something to be proud of. But once Judge West got her hands on that report, the game changed fast. She warned him she could rip up his plea deal and hand down 20 years on the spot. You could see the shock hit him, but he still acted like the rules didn't apply, just because he's young. In that courtroom, though, age doesn't shield you. If anything, it makes the lesson hit even harder. So what do you think? Is this a sign that today's younger generation struggles with accountability, or just one bad example? Let's talk about it.
Thank you, Ms. Malfino. All right, sir, are you Camden Jackson? And Mr. Harris, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just a second to get done. Mr. Jackson, in cause number 20, all right, y'all marked third degree on the paperwork, but the indictment says second. I just want to make sure it's marked correctly.
Yes, I just looked at it sideways.
Okay, so that should be second degree.
Yes, Your Honor.
If with everybody's permission, I'll make that change on the paperwork.
Yes.
Okay.
And apologies for my handwriting, because it's horrible.
It's hard on the tablet. You're good. All right, so you're charged in cause number 25 DCCR 0114 with the second degree felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity from January 10th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Harris?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 7-year deferred probation. There would be a $500 fine, and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, which could include me ordering you to some upfront treatment, like ISF or something like that. And it looks like that's what the state's going to be requesting. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And that decision's up to me when we come back for sentencing.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, excuse me, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State tenders number 1.
No objection, Your Honor.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Jackson's not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Jackson, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you, your case, and then we'll come back later for sentencing.